Good morning, this is Wack Kennels. Today we're showing how to administer 8 9-way shots. Our puppies are about 13 weeks old, so we're doing the third shot. This is what we use here, the K9 Spectra 9. If you don't know how to administer these shots, we'll show you today. It's pretty simple. These are the other 2 puppies here that we'll give shots to later. This is the shot package. You want to open that up. In the package, you'll have a liquid and you have a solid. Take your needle out. You want to take the liquid out of this container by sticking the needle in, bringing the needle to the absolute edge of the vial where you can get all the liquid out. And once you take that out, you put that liquid into the solid, pressing in as so. Shake it up. You want to withdraw every bit of the liquid out. And then you want to get your puppy and come a little closer. Hold up the skin on them to where you can get a good piece of the skin up. Put the needle in. They shouldn't feel much pain. And that's it. I'm gonna rub it in a little bit, make sure it goes in good. And that's how you administer the 6, 7, 8, 9-way shot. Wack Kennels, like, subscribe, share. Thank you.